Hello friends, welcome back to Analyzing Stock Market. So today we'll be talking about USD JPY pair and we'll do the Forex analysis for 21st July to 25th July 2025. So let's go straight into our charts. So here I've already opened the chart. First, let's see what happened in USD JPY on Friday. So here 0.15% was a positive move, 148.808 was the closing on Friday. So now we'll be talking about what is going to happen in coming week, and even I'll be marking some important support and resistance zone which will help you to take better stop loss and target levels according to your bias. And also I'll be sharing my opinion on what could happen in coming week according to my analysis and previous week movement. So let's check the weekly chart. So here I've already opened the weekly chart. If I talk about the weekly chart, you can see the candle is a bullish candle. We can see a small wick on both end, that is on the lower wick and the upper wick are in a small size. And if I talk about the stochastic RSI is around overbought area, which tells us or which indicates us a negative move on the pair. But as I always say, we should not always depend only on RSI or other indicators. We should also look for other factors which moves the pair, like any news or important events, and then make a decision according to that data. So now let's mark some important support and resistance zone on a 1-day chart. So here I've already opened the 1-day chart. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, do consider subscribing to my channel and click on the bell icon for such weekly analysis. So currently, if I see, all the important support and resistance zone are already marked. I don't need to mark anything new. Already our previous session markings are sufficient for today's analysis. So let's talk about the closing. 140.802 was the closing. Direct support is 140.679. Direct resistance is 149.146. After direct support, there is a support of 148.232 and then 147.786. After direct resistance, there is a resistance of 149.541 and then 150.171. So these are the some important support and resistance zone which you have to, which will help you to take trades on this week. Also, if you are from India and thinking that how can I trade forex markets from India, then I've already shared 2 prop firm links in the description. You can open your account from there and get funded. Even I have given a coupon code which will help you to get 20% discount on the first prop firm that I have given the link. If you don't know what is funded account or prop firm, I have already made a dedicated video on what is prop firm, how it works, and what are the rules that you have to follow to get funding. Everything is available on my forex playlist. Do consider checking that out. I will share it on the icon on the left side corner. So now let's talk about my opinion in USD JPY pair for this week. So according to the previous week closing, I'm expecting a negative closing in this range, which is 148.232 to 140.679. I'm expecting a negative move in this range. Even I'm expecting a move till 147.786, but currently, because the market is in a sideways zone for past 4 weeks, if I check the 1-day chart. So according to the price action, I am expecting a closing in this range. If you're looking for any positive or a positive move position, then only look for positive trades when 149.146 gets breached and a 1-day candle gets closed above it. Then we will be able to see a move till 149.541 or even 150.171. So currently my expectation is the negative move in this range. What are your expectations? Do let me know in the comment section. If you did like my analysis, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.